They show up and they push and they pull, and we hide and we cry, but we should realize that courage comes when we choose it.
Such a peaceful day.
Hey! 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 Hello, hello. How are you? I am fine. I'm here to flex my richness on ya.
Hi, Mr. Ghost. Long time no seen.
I guess.
Yeah, Mr. Ghost. How have you been?
Didn't I just say I was fine?
Yeah, Mr. Ghost, you're very good. Mr. Ghost, I see you received my crown. It looks very beautiful on you.
Crown?
Yeah.
This thing?
Yes.
But I received it from the package. What that was written by someone named Aanan.
Yes, Mr. Ghost. I sent you a letter.
But you
Because you were
the world has lied to me.
Mr. Ghost, my name is Aanan.
But this cruel world. I'm so done with this world.
Mr. Ghost, let's forget about this. It's been a long time since you visited. So why did you come?
For a reason, duh.
I know that. You should wear it or...
Alright, this peasant crown ain't doing it for me.
What?
I need a royalty crown.
What?
A royalty crown, you heard me.
You mean this looks like a peasant's crown to you?
What do you think? What do you think the color white is?
It'll suit you though.
I need a deep color that represents royalty.
The blue?
I guess.
Okay, Mr. Ghost, I can make you this, but I'm offended.
Oh, I need two white like this for my friends. Two peasant crowns.
Your friends are peasants.
They want to see this.
Yeah, I get this, Mr. Ghost. Their friends are not gonna be seeing.
Alright. Time's up.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
Mr. Ghost, I will make your crown.
Bye bye. Mr. Ghost is done with this work.
It always comes to ruin my fantasy.
Alright, I'm done.
I need to make crowns now. Let's start. Not 1, 3.
David wasn't a big man. He only had a few rocks in his hand. But he knew what he could do, yeah. So when Goliath came toward him, he put on that brave, bright grin, and he let that snake shot do what it was made to do. Show him that you're not afraid. Show him that you're not afraid. When worries try to fight you, don't let them get in the way. Show them that you're not afraid. Show them that you're not afraid. No matter what you go through, come on and be brave. Show them that you're not. Show them. In bowlfuls, they show up and they push and they pull, and we hide and we cry, but we should realize that courage comes when we choose it, when we decide we just won't quit. Yeah, I know you can do it, get to it. Show them that you're not afraid. Show them that you're not afraid. When worries try to fight you, don't let them get in the way. Show them that you're not afraid. Show them that you're not afraid. No matter what you go through, come on and be brave. Show them that you're not. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh. wasn't a big man. He only had a few rocks in his hand. But he knew, yeah, he knew what he could do, yeah. So when Goliath came toward him, he put on that brave, bright grin, and he let that slingshot do what it was made to do. Show him that you're not afraid. Show him that you're not afraid. When worries try to fight.
Finally done with Mr. Ghost's request. I made 2 more crowns following the same steps as the blue ones.
Hello, how are you? I'm back to get my stuff.
Hello, Mr. Ghost. You come unexpectedly,
Oh, wait,
as always. Here you go, Mr. Ghost. They're falling from my hand.
Why should I carry this peasant's crown?
They're your friends, Mr. Ghost.
I said they will not be seeing this. What just
Okay,
fell?
understand, Mr. Ghost. Let me help, Mr. Ghost. You have a small head.
Excuse you?
Here you go, Mr. Ghost. Mr. Ghost, something is
My
missing.
face looks off.
I have the right thing for you.
Yes. But
No.
what? But the side colors are wrong. They're not supposed to be white.
Mr. Ghost, just ignore it.
Oh wait, I have another hand. Forgot.
You forgot you had another hand. Okay, Mr. Ghost, you look very royal.
Glasses.
Do you like the
Do you
gift?
want me to spell it?
Huh?
Do you want me to spell glasses?
No, Mr. Ghost.
GLASSES.
What?
GLASSTE. Wait, hold on. Alright. GLASSES. Glasses.
Yeah, very good, Mr. Ghost. You did it right. Yeah. Are you happy, Mr. Ghost?
Why do I have to carry this peasant's crown?
Mr. Ghost, you're the one who wanted them. You made me suffer for 9 hours.
My friend was the one who hosted the chocolate party, and later on he told me it wasn't free. And he told
You
me,
must have been very hurt.
and he told me to give the crown I was wearing, but I denied and said I would give him 2 by the end of the day. And he said, "Alright, then 1 is for my friend."
Okay, Mr. Ghost, then hope you like it.
Bibbidi bobbidi, the magic of.
Oh, Mr. Ghost, can you do a pose with the crowns on your head? I want to take a picture to post
Not
on
with
Instagram.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Ghost, then
Go.
go behind. Go behind. Now pose. A very beautiful pose. We cannot see the crown, Mr. Ghost. The lights are too sharp on my studio. I'm sorry.
Is my crown okay?
Okay. Now pose, Mr. Ghost. A bit here, Mr. Ghost. Yes, a very beautiful. The hands should be higher, Mr. Ghost. Yeah, a little more higher. Little more higher, not down.
Fix this for me, please, peasant.
Now higher. Higher. More. Yes. Now. No, downer. Downer. Do it more goodly. Higher.
Hey, I'm not a peasant, you peasant.
Shut up and do your work.
You
Higher.
see the crown I have.
Higher. Yeah. This one like this. And wait a second. Yes. Now, keep that for a few seconds. Okay, Mr. Ghost, we're done. You're free to leave now. Mr. Ghost.
Alright, peasant.
Okay.
It's my turn to leave.
Okay.
Bye. CROYN. Boo.
Finally, freedom. I should sleep and eat.